Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making beef tips. You will need 2 pounds of stewed beef, 4 cups of beef broth, 1 cup of onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 cups of mushrooms, 3 tablespoons of canola oil, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of browning, 1 bay leaf, 4 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add your oil. Now add your beef to the pan and allow them to brown. Remove your beef from the pan, then set them aside until later. Now saute your onions for 2 minutes. Add the garlic and continue to saute for an additional minute. Now add your mushrooms and continue to cook for an additional 2 minutes. Return your beef to the pan, then season with your salt and pepper. Add the browning and mix well. Now add your soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce and mix well. Pour in your beef broth and add your bay leaf, then allow your liquid to come to a boil. Cover and allow it to cook for 1 hour and 45 minutes. Mix together your cornstarch and water, then pour in your slurry and mix well. Now continue to cook until your gravy has thickened. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps.